Welcome to the Fossil Atmospheres video for Group 1. I'm Ivana Cortez speaking. I will be narrating our video. Our group consists of myself, Josiah Burnett, Alondra Soto, Anissa Morgan, and Roxana Mecal. So let's go ahead and get started. Our first question is, what is the purpose of the Fossil Atmosphere Project? Zooniverse is wanting to create a record monitoring how the atmosphere has changed through time by calculating the ratio of stoma cells and regular cells. They are looking at the geological past to understand the effects of climate change. What are the overarching science goals that the project is trying to achieve? Because the climate is sensitive to CO2, it has an implication on economics and society. Climate change has an effect on sea level, food production, storm strength, water availability, and other factors. This project will help scientists by improving their ability to quantify the effects of CO2 on climate and future environmental change. Basically, it is overall to improve the quality of life on Earth. What specific questions are the scientists seeking to answer? These ginkgo leaves are being studied by researchers and experts to understand what impact climate change will have on life on our planet in the long run. They're categorized so that we can figure out the environment was like in the past and therefore predict what it might be like in the future. How will answering these questions advance scientific knowledge? Answering these questions can advance scientific knowledge by knowing how expert researchers identify these classifications and what these classifications mean exactly for us on Earth. What was the specific task that you did as a participant in the Citizen Science Project? The task we did for Fossil Atmospheres was to clearly mark the two types of cells on the image, the normal leaf cells and the stomata. Here on this image, you can see that the stomata is labeled by the yellow dots and the blue dots are the regular cells. We believe that humans are better suited for this task than computers because while computers are getting more advanced each and every day, a computer might not be able to pick out the specific stoma, as the characteristics may be pretty subtle. This is a pretty clear image, but not all our images were as clear as this one. How did your participation help the Citizen Science Project meet its science goals? My participation in the Project Counting Stomatal Index helps advance the study to produce a record from past and present environments. By me and other citizen scientists participating, they are able to collect more data than could ever be collected by just a lab with a few people. Many people from around the world contribute to the success of this project. And scientists are able to gather data from around the world without ever having to leave their lab. This portion of the video is our personal reflection on our Zooniverse project. The data was collected through Google Forms, and it only consists of 5 different people. So the first question that we were asked was the task easy or hard? 4 out of 5 of us felt that the task was fairly easy, but one of us did find some difficulty. However, we all found the task very interesting. Roxana said she enjoyed seeing how cells were in the different classifications, and Josiah said that he did not enjoy the quantity of normal leaf cells as it got a bit boring clicking all of them, which I agree with. I encountered several surprising things. One was the odd shape of some of the regular cells took and the variety of depression some of them had. Anissa and Alondra both said that they were confused on how stoma could look, but the field guide and expert classifications helped them feel more confident in being able to distinguish between the two of them. This concludes our Zooniverse project video for Fossil Atmospheres. Thank you for watching. Overall, we all had a really good time working on this together, and we all learned quite a bit. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.